To another RV show today. The Rocky Mountain RV show is put on by the local Airstream and Grand Design dealership, Windish RV. It is located at the First Bank Center in Broomfield. So we're gonna go check out a couple different RVs. The first camper we're gonna tour today is a 2023 Airstream Flying Cloud FBQ. As you enter, the dining room is in the rear of the trailer with extra seating that converts into a bed. There's plenty of storage in the kitchen, as well as an 8 cubic feet electric refrigerator. The microwave is tucked away in a pull-out cabinet. As you walk towards the front of the trailer, there is a wardrobe closet and a separate shower with a seat. Across, you will find the bathroom with a toilet and sink. The queen-size bed is in the front of the camper with overhead storage. There is an option to have an overhead bunk instead. The exterior length of this camper is 28 feet, the width is 8 feet 5.5 inches, and height is 9 feet 9 inches. It has a dry weight of 6,100 pounds and a gross weight of 7,600 pounds. The freshwater tank is 37 gallons, the gray water tank is 35 gallons, and the black water tank is 40 gallons. This camper has an MSRP of $125,475. Next is a 2023 Grand Design Solitude 310GK. The main bedroom is in the front of the fifth wheel. It comes standard with a queen bed, but has the option to upgrade to a king. It has a walk-in closet and is prepped for a washer and dryer. The flip-top dresser has plenty of storage and is equipped with an LED TV. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and sink. The stairs even have a little cubby for shoe storage. The kitchen has many amenities, including a hutch, pantry, a slide-out with freestanding dining room table and theater seating, a 20 cubic foot refrigerator, a residential 4-burner stove, and oven with a microwave and overhead cabinets.
So you got the residential oven, the full.
I can bake my Christmas turkey in there.
You can?
The kitchen island is large with tons of storage and is prepped for a dishwasher. It also has a dual basin stainless steel sink. The living room has a tri-fold sofa, entertainment center with telescoping TV, and a fireplace. This fifth wheel comes equipped with a 16-foot awning and an additional 10-foot 4-inch awning on the slide-out. It has pass-through storage and an optional pull-out kitchen. The exterior length is 34 feet 11 inches, and the height is 13 feet 5 inches. It has a dry weight of 12,100 pounds with a gross weight of 15,000 pounds. The freshwater tank is 81 gallons, gray water tank is 106 gallons, and the black water tank is 53 gallons. The MSRP on this fifth wheel is $130,497. For Solitude, where is that in line for the Grand Design?
The highest.
It is the highest?
The highest, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The only thing you could get higher than this would be like a DRV mobile suite.
Okay.
Where they have a 3-inch wall and they're 22,000 pounds. And
okay.
They're nice. They're custom made basically. The 2023 Rockwood Mini Lite
251-6S. As you enter, to your immediate right is the kitchen with a 3-burner gas range stove that has a glass cover and a microwave oven overhead. At the front of the camper is a dual basin stainless steel sink, plenty of drawer storage, and a pantry. The slide out has an electric refrigerator and 67-inch theater seats with a hide-a-bed option. Across is a 32-inch TV and fireplace. Making your way to the rear of the camper is a walk-through bathroom with a sink and a shower and a toilet across the walkway. Continuing on, you enter the bedroom with a slide-out queen bed, a mirrored wardrobe cabinet with drawer space underneath, and its own entry door. The exterior of this camper has a 19-foot awning, plenty of outside storage, a griddle, and 2 entry doors. The specs on this camper are an exterior length of 25 feet 11 inches, a height of 10 feet 11 inches, and width of 96 inches. It has a dry weight of 6,049 pounds and a gross weight of 7,772 pounds. The freshwater tank capacity is 54 gallons, the gray water tank is 60 gallons, and the black water tank is 30 gallons. MSRP is $52,692. The 2023 Ember RV Overland 171FB has an exterior pass-through storage, outside kitchen with a refrigerator and optional griddle, and a 12-foot awning. It has an overall length of 20 feet 6 inches, exterior height of 10 feet 4 inches, and the width of 8 feet. As you enter the rear of the camper, immediately to your left is an open shelf pantry and a 12-volt refrigerator. The kitchen has a 2-burner stove, a round stainless steel sink, overhead microwave, and storage cabinets. The front of the camper has a queen-size bed with stargazer skylight overhead. There is a slide-out with a jackknife sofa and a removable table. The back has a corner bathroom with a toilet, shower, medicine cabinet, and sink. The dry weight is 4,165 pounds and gross weight is 5,440 pounds. It has a 55-gallon freshwater tank, and both the black and gray water tanks are 35 gallons each. The MSRP is $66,076. The 2023 Passport SL 221BH has a sofa with a Murphy bed and wardrobe cabinets and nightstands on either side. The slide-out has a U-shaped dinette and a large pantry. The corner bath has a toilet, sink, medicine cabinet, and shower. Next you have double bunks that are 51 inches by 74 inches. The bottom bunk flips up for added storage, and there is a cargo door in the rear for easy access to load your items. The kitchen has an 8 cubic feet refrigerator, a 3-burner stove and oven, overhead microwave, and a TV nestled into the space next to it. The L-shaped countertop has a large single basin stainless steel sink, a pull-down faucet, and a flip-up countertop at the end. The exterior of this camper has a 15-foot awning, pass-through storage, and an outdoor kitchen with a refrigerator and pull-out griddle. The length is 25 feet 11 inches, the height is 10 feet 8 inches. This camper has a dry weight of 5,219 pounds and a gross weight of 7,000 pounds. The freshwater tank is 43 gallons, the gray water tank is 60 gallons, and the black water tank is 30 gallons. The MSRP for the base model is $42,688. Our next walkthrough is a 2023 Keystone Hideout 177RD. As you enter, there is a queen bed to the right with overhead storage and a wardrobe cabinet. The bathroom has a 36-inch walk-in shower, sink, and a toilet. The kitchen comes with a sink, 2-burner stove, and a microwave overhead, as well as some cabinet space. The specs show a 7.7 cubic feet refrigerator next to the bathroom, but this unit has a small refrigerator under the counter in the kitchen. The U-shaped dinette is at the rear of the camper with a window unit AC above it. This unit is prepped for a TV between the stove and the dinette. The exterior has a 10-foot awning with LED lights and pass-through storage. It is 21 feet 5 inches long and 10 feet 2 inches high. It has a dry weight of 3,397 pounds and a gross weight of 4,400 pounds. The freshwater tank is 27 gallons, and both the gray and blackwater tanks are 30 gallons each. The MSRP starts at $25,500. Moving right along, we have a 2023 Airstream Interstate 24GL. It seats 9 and sleeps 2. It is a Mercedes-Benz 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel van with all available safety and performance features included. It has a 24.5-gallon diesel tank and a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. The rear doors open with storage space and a sofa that lays completely flat with the push of a button. The side seats also fold down to turn the entire rear of the coach into a bed. There are 2 removable tables that can be set up, one between the 2 captain's chairs in the front and one in front of the sofa in the rear of the camper. It has ample storage space lined with overhead cabinets throughout. The kitchen features a 2-burner gas stove and a large stainless steel sink with a faucet, plus extra flip-up counter space for food prep. Under the counter is a drawer-style convection oven and a 3.1 cubic feet refrigerator with a freezer. The wet bath has a shower, toilet, and small sink. The overall length is 24 feet 6 inches, height is 9 feet 8 inches, and width is 6 feet 7.7 inches. It has a 23-gallon freshwater tank, a 24-gallon gray water tank, and an 11-gallon blackwater tank. It also includes a 2.5 kilowatt generator, 2 100 amp hour lithium batteries, and a 300 watt solar system. The MSRP on this is $279,210.
Am I what?
The one who bought this?
Yeah.
Take it for a ride.
Teardrop trailers are a great way to dip your toe in RV camping. The 2023 nuCamp RV Tag XL has driver and passenger side entry doors. The interior height is 43 inches and includes a queen bed with underbed storage, a stargazer window, cabinets, and an AC and heater unit. The exterior is equipped with solar and a roof rack. The length is 13 feet 7 inches, the width is 7 feet 8 inches, and it stands 6 feet 3 inches high.
Rental, that's 2,200 pounds.
It has an 8-gallon freshwater tank and a dry weight of 1,369 pounds with a gross weight of 2,200 pounds. MSRP is $30,459. The backside has an outdoor kitchen with a sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, and a removable cooler. And finally, we have another nuCamp RV, a 2023 Tag 320S. This teardrop trailer has a galley kitchen inside with a 2-burner stove, a sink, and a 12-volt refrigerator. The U-shaped dinette converts into a comfortable sleeping area with multiple configurations, including a twin or queen bed. It also includes a microwave and cabinet storage overhead. The wet bath has a cassette toilet, sink, and shower. The exterior is equipped with solar and a roof rack. The length is 15 feet 3 inches, width is 6 feet 8 inches, and the height is 7 feet 8 inches. It has a 19-gallon freshwater tank, 18-gallon gray water tank, and a 5-gallon black water tank. The dry weight on this unit is 1,946 pounds with a gross weight of 2,900 pounds. MSRP is $31,980. I hope you enjoyed these tours. Are you planning on visiting an RV show this year? If so, let us know. Thanks for watching.